After missing a few heartbeats, this little guy is still with us. It was a bit scary because Pulla was rolling down from the hill, and he does that quite often nowadays because his eyesight is so poor. The fog in the valley is amazing. It's so thick. It looks like Norway without the pointy, sharp mountains. Yeah, we sure enjoy our time here.
It was tip from our friend, Romanian friend, and actually subscriber. He actually gave us this spot. 360 views, and we are just waiting when the sun sets. Weather is quite okay here in 1400 meters. I think it's 21 at the moment. T-shirt, not too hot in the direct sun, so gonna enjoy a lot. There is one 4x4 with a small camper or caravan in there, and just us enjoying this place.
Welcome to Panoramic Kitchen, and I'm having a schnitzel from Poland. Yeah.
And mozzarella.
So we have a special treat day.
Free life.
This is so amazing, and I love the feeling when we wake up. We don't know where we are going to end up sleeping.
For example, today.
Yeah, we thought we were in the valley, in the opposite side of the Romania, but now we are here, seeing this. Oh, we feel so blessed.
Blessed as baby's butts.
But we also feel hungry, so let's eat soon.
Apuseni is not that great what comes to the internet connection, so we have been basically offline for past 5 days maybe. So now we came here and we checked beforehand if there's a 4G connection or not, and there is. So this is internet evening for us and enjoying the sunset. Yeah, sometimes this way. Being offline is good, but I think being online is also good. I don't blame people being online. You are online too, there, watching our videos.
And our friends live online, so that's how we keep contact. And also being an influencer and making these social media videos, we need internet. Weather here is incredible weird because it's kind of cold, like feeling +20, but in the sun it's more like +20. But inside of our van, because it's in the shade, it's really cold. Really mixed feelings because the wind is so cold, but the sun is so hot. And I love this product. Do you know what this is? It's a vegan cocaine. It tastes like Parmesan cheese. It's a yeast flakes. And Jonni, what are you cooking yourself today?
Sausages and bacon. Well, I have actually I'm making pasta carbonara without Parmesan cheese. With sausages and bacon.
Do you want to dare to taste this?
No, it's for Sarah.
Only the real deal is enough.
Bon appetit.
It feels like we are in some random country, traveling, having a vacation.
No, it's just our life. Sarah burned herself already, even if the UV index is low.
That's why I'm chilling here underneath the shade.
Yeah, beautiful place, beautiful lunch. Yeah, and we have to talk about these dogs. He gave me a little bit of food, or her. Yeah, most of the dogs here in Romania who are homeless, they are not coming like really close to you if you have your own dog here. So even Pulla is not a friend of any dogs. He will bark anything. We can be here with the long leash and not worry in the world. Yeah. If the homeless dogs are aggressive, they are not homeless. They are usually dead after that. They are usually really calm and just wandering around here. Yeah, there's a lot of dogs. Our neighbors has like three shepherd dogs that came from the shepherd house. And what I heard on the Google reviews, here's a lot of dogs when it's summertime and high season. Yeah, all the dogs come here for grill food that people will spare to them. Yeah, dogs are here just living from the spares that people give them. It's a little bit sad again. I don't know if there's a dilemma. Am I doing wrong that I'm giving food to the homeless dogs that are living in the mountains? Am I prolonging their suffering, or do I help them? Should I be a local to give them food so I can give them food almost daily? So there would be help to it, because we are leaving this place tomorrow and the dog stays here and we gave him food to survive for some time more. Yeah, dilemmas. Maybe it's an awful thing to actually give him food only that we can feel better. I think I'm giving food to her because I can feel better. But yeah, life is full of dilemmas and you have to just go with your heart, I think. And sometimes think about the consequences. Second coffee. One thing why we are using a grinder, that we are not buying local coffee, is because now we can adjust the grind what comes to water. The more salt and more harder water, the more finer you need from the coffee, and we do it with the filter. So we need different grind that is sold in here. So we buy always coffee beans and grind them ourselves. Takes with this like maybe 3 minutes, and you can attach your drill here if you are lazy enough. But yeah, works great. Hurry your grinder. This blades will last with our usage with 2 big coffees per day, something around 2.5 years. Then we have to replace it. One of the best what comes to the price and quality radio. The blades are really good. I took the grinding that this makes and took it to the laboratory, and the analyst said that there is perfect grind. So best bang for your buck. I think it's 25 euros or 30 euros. And this comes from professional. Retired professional, not anymore professional. There's snow at the moment. Yeah.
It's October, baby. Gorgeous, lovely day. So we decided to postpone our shopping day and our laundry day and continue enjoying the beautiful weather and place here. Beautiful day. Maybe a last summerish day. So we sure will enjoy this. In this part of Romania, they still harvest the hay the old-fashioned way. So there's a stick and they lay the hay there. It reminds us very much from our old childhood. But I guess it wasn't good here for the hay, because another stick is almost empty. These piles are really sympathetic. And our house is there, so tiny, so far away. Bathing in the sun, just like us. These traditional Romanian little huts are so adorable. They are like from the fairy tale. We love it. And this area has them quite a many. Take a look at the side of that bad block. It's a heavy duty. And then we have these religious icons here. I'm guessing some saint is protecting this little hut. I don't know if it's a storage or shelter for cattle. It's funny to see that they insulate the roof with the plastic and just duct tape and then put like a moss there. And then you have a perfect roof over your tiny house. Cute. It's picturesque being here in the plains of Romania. The sun is shining and plains are so green. It was a nippy night, so there is still little frost in the tip of these grass fields. Yeah, this is like time hopping. If you hate modern world and you are fed up with everything, come to the mountains of Romania and you feel so much better right away. I bet the winters here are kind of rough and brutal. Lot of slush and mud and grey. Everything turns so grey. So the contrast has been amazing to see, because last time when we were in Romania it was winter and everything was full of mud, wet, slush and greyness. And now it's just green and lush. We did saw a herder earlier, a shepherd, and I think he lives in that little hut. Oh, it's his office. He has a cows there, bucket full of water, ducks, hay, and I'm guessing a good internet, because the reception here is really good. Yeah, living the dream. Just stupid tourist walk by once in a while.
We are always trying to find adventure routes. There was a road going past these mountains up into Alba Iulia, which is the town or city where we are going next. And we were thinking about, could we take this route? But it's getting worse and worse and worse. So this time we are not going to the adventure route. Just the same really narrow tarmac route back to the valley and then to the highways. Yeah, but it would go on that valley over there and on the left. The tarmac starts like 6 kilometers from here. There ain't any places to actually you can do a U-turn with our van, so this time we are giving up and just using the tarmac roads. But there are really nice routes in Romania to take.
In this area they have this really nice 5-star hotel in a beautiful place. It costs us 920 leis. So what is it in euros? 200 something euros. One night staying there, but I bet it's gorgeous. Like a really wilderness place. But no access to people who are not booked there. And our primo spot, $3.99. Yeah, we love living in a camper van.
First time in ages we are in a place where we cannot go to the nature to bathe, and there are other people around, so we used our shower for, I think, first time in this trip. Yeah, works great still. I love it. The LPG heats up the water in 10 minutes, so you can actually decide whenever you want to go shower and just put it on and wait for 10 minutes and that's it. Sarah went to shower without our toilet and I went to shower with the toilet. Just test it out. Toilet itself is totally waterproof, so we don't have to use shower curtain on top of it, so we can actually like shower on top of it or sit there and shower if we want to. So, but yeah. Really great. 2 thumbs up. Our favorite thing. Pancakes!
Usually we do pancakes when it rains.
And cherry everything, so
Kirsu
on top of the pancakes.
Yeah.
A lovely day.
Yeah, and we smell so good after the shower. And I did shave all my hair and everything. It's nice to go to sheets when you
don't have hair.
Yeah, so smooth.
Yes, and most important part of making pancakes, preheat the pan.
No matter how anxious you are to start baking them, it makes all the difference.
Ikinä en ole nähnyt toiselle.
Look at the sunset we have to deal with. Look at these views. Isn't this disgusting? Yuck. Okay, good night. Thanks for watching our videos. Good morning. These are my favorite moments of the days. Waking really early before the sun is rising. And you can see this magnificent foggy in the valley. It's really pretty and so silent. It's a bit adventure days having a pulla with his lost mind because he don't know which way to go and he doesn't see very well. He doesn't see 3D. So he can just randomly just jump from the cliff or something. What a wake up call. Pulla, don't do that again.
What a lovely morning. There's still some clouds in the valleys below us and it's really beautiful. Sun is just actually coming up and it's not silent. All the dogs and cows are making noise, but otherwise, what a pleasant way of waking up. Just making morning coffees here and just starting up the day. I don't know how well we're gonna start this day up, or are we just gonna stay put in this place for another night and then continue tomorrow. It's nippy, it's like +3 in the night time, but to get these views it's worth it. It's really beautiful and we have these nice mountains here.